Is this on?
Hey everybody! It's on YouTube. Okay, so today we're gonna make Play-Doh. I got this from someone else. It's not my own recipe, so I forgot their name. Yeah. Okay, my face is a little red because I had to wipe off a ton of makeup, so don't judge. And this is my friend Haley.
What's
And
that?
we're making Play-Doh, and you only need 3 ingredients plus a bowl and a spoon. But duh. You need flour. You don't need too much, but you're gonna need quite a bit. You're going to need water, any kind, salt.
And then food coloring is optional?
Yeah. We're using any kind. I don't know what color yet.
We have red and blue.
Yeah, red and blue. We're going to Pinto Pride Man. Okay, so.
Charges in the way. Okay. So what do we do first? Flour?
Wait, hold on. I forgot. Oh, yeah, flour.
Okay, how much?
Any amount you want.
Is that good?
That's good. And then you want to add your salt next.
Okay.
Kind of the same amount. Then you must stir. We did have some music
So
going,
this is
but
the consistency right now.
yeah. And then you want to add some water. Not too much at a time. It's kind of like
So
slime.
what mixes it? The water?
Yeah, kind of. But you don't want to put too much in because then it's going to be liquidy and we don't want that. What? Just kind of stir it in.
Wait, it has to settle down. Ooh. It's something.
Oh, it smells kind of weird. Kind of smells good, but at the same time it doesn't.
It smells like one of those little rice things that you like that
Oh,
like
yeah,
heat like
yeah,
up in the
yeah. Here, I'm gonna find something to put. Oh no.
I need to put a little bit more water. Hand me the water. Oh yeah.
You did not want to see that.
That airhead is too much.
Not go back. Put it on like a hard.
I won't. Wink.
I'll put my kids in the. Oh shoot, nuggets. Oh crap. Dang. This is not going to work out for me, is it?
It's a wheel or a bone.
Oh. Super bad. I do. I say yes to the bread. Oh, perfect. That's
Okay, so here's what we have right now. So is that good?
Scooch your bush.
Should I add
Oh,
more?
yeah, green. Oh, no, never mind. You
Should I
don't
add
have
more
to.
water? Or is that
A
good?
little more flour.
We're having a party right now.
Yeah, it's
Well, with just us
Sleepover.
two.
yeah, just
Watching Titanic.
we're we're watching Titanic, guys. This really does look weird. Here,
We've
I'm
been
gonna
on
touch
YouTube
it.
before.
I'm gonna go right in. You haven't?
Mm-mm.
It's not too sticky, but I mean, add a little more flour, and then it'll be perfect. It's like a witch's stitch.
Does your mom know you have a YouTube channel?
Yeah. No, Haley, I'm just secretly going behind my back.
Awesome. Oh, no.
Wait.
And we're all like dolled up because we were just at a thing.
Play rehearsal. I had a ton of makeup on. It was not pretty. I mean, it was pretty,
Macy
but...
said that she subscribed to your channel.
Oh, hey!
So she's a subscriber.
Thanks,
I
Macy.
got slam on my knuckle. Knuckles from the play. We're doing this play called Bugsy Malone.
It's
Junior.
Junior.
I'm a gambler.
And I'm a, what do you call it?
You're just a customer.
Yeah, I'm pretty much everything she wants me to be, so, yeah. Pretty important. Without me, she would be nothing. Just kidding. She would be everything.
I don't know what to charge my phone.
What? I thought your phone... Oh, it's not charged. Oh, I thought she had it on the charger.
I'm
Oh
ending
my
this.
gosh, it's breaking apart. Don't break apart, Play-Doh. Please don't. I tried to make Play-Doh I tried to make slime the other day.
I got 7 viewers.
Seriously? Probably getting bored of us. Ugh. Gosh. Okay, so here's what it looks like. Oh shit,
Oh.
sirs. Okay, I'm gonna take one of these napkins. Just kind of rub it, dubba dubba. Okay, so here's what it looks like. Kind of looks like oatmeal with just flour. I'm gonna add a little more salt.
Take a picture of the scene.
Oh, you're so hot.
My best freaking friend.
What?
Nothing. So we were my best freaking friend.
Okay, that's no.
That looks so weird. Like,
Watch
girl,
this,
what
watch.
you doing?
Haley, stay right there, okay? Look. Isn't that cool? Like, watch.
Look at Miss Dick. Miss Dick is our English teacher.
Okay, yeah, don't make fun of her name. Actually, you can, but I mean, it's like everyone got used to it by now. Like, if you come up to us and say, hey, Miss Dick, we'd be like, so lame. That was the first quarter. Oh, you're so pretty.
No. I'm so fancy.
I'm so fancy. You already
Yeah, you almost done with that? Girl, what is it?
No, like, it doesn't want to come together for me.
Gosh, guys, these are on sale for 75 cents.
OMG. Yeah, we got snacks. We made chocolate milk, guys. I don't even
I think
like
that's good.
I don't think it is. I think more flour. More flour is good. Just a little bit more. A little bit means a lot. In my dictionary, at least. You are ready? Mm-hmm.
Okay, you ready? I'm gonna flip this, and yeah.
Oh yeah, you guys watch
Is
this.
it either
watch
gonna
this.
be on the
Hey.
sour side or the non-sour
Oh yeah, look at her
side?
slime. We made this early. Well, she made this. It's
Sour or sour or non-sour side?
sour.
Oh.
It's
It's sour.
Oh, oh, it jumped right over the thing. That is so cool. Okay, go back in the cage.
Looked at him like an insect. A dangerous insect, which must be squashed quickly.
I don't know, I felt like it.
It's only been like 7 minutes.
Really? Holy crap.
There's a freaking hair in my fucking slime.
Okay, so now what we're gonna do is just add some food coloring because it's been a long video. I'm so sorry, you guys. I just completely lost track of time. Holy crap, 8 minutes. Okay. Nice to know. Okay, let's get to work, guys. We're gonna make some more after this. Oh, that kind of works. It's not stick, so that's the plus side. So yeah, you guys aren't watching this for a complete waste. I mean, it's kind of entertaining to watch me.
Hey, can I put the food coloring on it?
Sure.
You want to make purple or what?
We should make purple here. I'm gonna pour it in here, and then I'll stir it.
Hello.
Did you inhale too much, Haley? You know that's not good for your system.
I'm it for my sister. You want to make pink, blue, or purple?
Too late. I already made purple.